call that came from inside Scary Story. The call every night at 11:59, Nora's phone rings. The screen shows her own number. When she answers, she hears breathing and her voice whispering, "I'm almost there." The hallway. Her apartment hallway grows longer each night. Doors multiply. At the far end, a light flickers where her bedroom should be, but the shadows walk faster than she does. The photograph. A framed photo falls from the wall. It shows Nora sleeping. She doesn't remember it being taken. In the corner, a blurred shape watches from inside the room. The knock-3-knock sound from her bedroom door. From inside, her voice begs to be let out, crying, "Please, it locked me in." The switch morning comes. Neighbours see Nora leave calmly. Inside the apartment, the phone rings again at 11:59, now unanswered, vibrating beside a locked door.